Hey Tern friends, I wanted to post a quick video because I keep seeing shredded Tern GSD pulleys here on the Tern GSD Facebook group or the Cargo Bike Republic group. So I just wanted to show you pulleys on the GSD are directional. So there's a thick side and a skinny side. So let me show you. Sorry for this is an iPhone, so if you shake, I'm sorry. So here is a new GSD getting built, and if you see, the thin side is on the outside, the thick side is on the inside. And if this is switched, this can't push out enough, and this chain will basically wear down the side of the pulley to the point that it's falling apart. So if your shop has installed new pulleys, some of these were installed incorrectly on the first batch of Tern GSDs. So if you're getting premature pulley wear, check that out. Again, thin side on the outside, thick side on the inside. Hope that helps. This is Arleigh with Bike Shop Girl, just trying to keep you guys out of the shop during this pandemic.